It's time to refresh your beauty routine, and what better way than with a whole new batch of hair and makeup trends. We brought in makeup artist Nikki La Rose to show you how to get glassy skin, peach lips, watercolor eyes, double cat eyes, and smudged out navy liner. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel Mixed Makeup and find me on Instagram at Susan Yara. First up is glassy skin. This trend is inspired by the popular multi-step Korean skincare routine. The takeaway is that you want your skin to look flawless and dewy, almost like you're looking at a glass surface. That means you need a holographic highlighter for a really reflective look. For your hair, keep the focus on the makeup with a sleek low ponytail, a big hair trend this season. I love this hairstyle because it's so easy and you can pull it together even when your hair is dirty. Next up is smoky navy liner. Last season was all about black eyeliner, but for spring and summer, the trend is to soften it up. Then, lightly accessorize your hair with a couple of bobby pins. It's such an easy trend that gives your hair a little extra oomph. Monochromatic makeup is still in, and for spring, peach is the go-to shade. Get the look by applying it to your eyes, cheeks, and your lips. But if you want to stick to one area, a peachy lip is perfectly on trend. Also, another trend in this look is thick, almost spidery lashes. Pair this makeup look with smooth hair that's parted down the center. Yup, center parts aren't going anywhere this season. When spring rolls around, I love to add more color to makeup looks. That's why I'm excited about this trend, watercolor eyes. Think aqua and teal with a touch of shimmer if you're feeling a little extra fancy. Just remember to keep the rest of your makeup neutral so you don't go overboard. Watercolor eyes pair well with another hair trend, soft, wind-blown curls. The key to this look is to throw in a few curls and brush them out. No need for hairspray or gel. You want this look to look perfectly imperfect. Winged liner is obviously not a new makeup look, but what I saw on the runways was artists taking it to the next level with floating winged liner and, my favorite, a double cat eye. Since a cat eye is so sleek, I like to pair it with the messy, half-up hair trend. It looks cute and it's so easy to do. And those are my favorite Spring 2018 hair and makeup trends. Tell me which look is your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget we can discuss these looks in our private Facebook group. It's called Beauty and Wellness Questions Answered. I'll leave a link below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch this next video.